Hey guys, this is Inha Review and I want to talk to you about this folding table. This is for the brand iClimb. It's ultralight compact camping folding table. Comes in two sizes. This is a S size. It also you can choose in four different colors. I love this. This is unique hinge design that will make it last for many years. Made of aerospace grade aluminum alloy, only 2.2 pounds, maximum load 66 pounds. This table is durable, waterproof, corrosion resistant, easy to clean. Sturdy joints and connectors plus non-slip rubber feet make this table more stable, and the legs will not fold, bend, or come unglued on different terrains. Very easy to install, just open the base, frame, and fix the table. I love it, and this is my review.